Go to the Layers panel in Photoshop, right click and select Duplicate Layer. Click OK. Then go over to the Shape tools. Now I'm going to be using Rectangle tool, perfectly reasonable, and use Shape. You could use Pen tool, Ellipse tool, etc. and add that shape quickly like that. Drag that rectangle down in between the background copy and also the background. Go up to the background copy here and then go to Layer and Create Clipping Mask. You can see straight away you've got this clipping mask you've just changed. Now what you can then do is apply effect. So go to Filter and say Blur and Gaussian Blur and click OK. And you can see now the effect is just to that area. You can of course modify it. It's a vector design. So simply select that and go to Direct Selection tool and modify the points and tweak it to your heart's content. If you want the effect to be outside, what you need to do, go over here, make certain you've got the rectangle selected, again, Shape option, and then go over here. Make certain you've got the Exclude Overlapping Shapes option. Apply, and now you've got the effect obviously applied around the edge and not inside. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.